minds, welcome back to AG Updates. Let's see what's shaking the world today. Today I have a mind-blowing story for you. Imagine a world where the richest people aren't building mansions on the beach, in the mountains, or even on private islands, but deep underground. Yes, in hidden underground cities that no one else can see. Sounds like a movie, right? But this is real. Let's find out why. In some of the most secret locations in the world, super rich individuals are preparing for something big. They are constructing multi-million-dollar underground bunkers, huge survival shelters filled with the most luxurious amenities you can imagine. And guess what? One of the most popular hideouts is New Zealand. Why? Because it's far from major conflicts, has a stable government, and is known as one of the safest places on earth. Billionaires believe that if something catastrophic happens, they can escape there and live safely underground. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Some of the world's most powerful tech billionaires from Silicon Valley are rumored to have these bunkers in New Zealand. It's been said that people like Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal, have secret underground shelters there just in case of a global catastrophe. In 2015, Thiel purchased a 477-acre property in New Zealand's South Island, intending to create his billionaire bunker. He planned to build an elaborate lodge with a spa, theatre, lounge and a meditation pod. However, his plans were declined by the local council due to the environmental concerns. One of the companies building these bunkers is called SAFE, Strategically Armored and Forfeited Environments. They don't make regular bunkers, they create secret underground palaces. Now let me tell you what's inside. Forget just having food and water. These bunkers include private movie theaters, so they never miss a blockbuster. Underground swimming pools because billionaires need to stay relaxed. Secret escape tunnels just in case they need a hidden exit. Gourmet kitchens because even underground they dine like royalty. Hydroponic farms, special indoor farms that grow food without soil. Instead of dirt, plants grow in water enriched with essential nutrients. This means that even underground they can have fresh vegetables and fruits. AI-powered medical suites, high-tech hospital rooms where smart computers and robots assist doctors in treating patients. These can detect illnesses early and help in surgeries. These underground shelters are built to withstand everything: nuclear explosions, massive storms, cyber threats, and even global pandemics. But what are cyber threats? They are dangerous computer attacks. When hackers try to steal information or shut down important systems in a world where everything runs on technology, cyber threats are a huge risk even for billionaires. And the price? The most basic bunkers start at $1.7 million, but the most luxurious ones were $300 million. So that's what exactly they're preparing for. Experts believe it could be climate disaster, huge storms, heat waves and rising sea levels, a financial crash where prices skyrocket and people lose their money, artificial intelligence going out of control if robots or computers start making dangerous decisions, deadly viruses like a future pandemic that forces people to stay indoors, and even global wars, countries fighting and making life unsafe. But here's the real mystery. Where exactly are these bunkers? The companies won't say. The locations are kept secret for security reasons. Some speculate they're deep inside mountains. Others believe they're under lakes, forests, or hidden in the middle of deserts. No one knows for sure. And here's the crazy thought. Right now only billionaires can afford these bunkers. But what if in the future underground cities become normal? Imagine going to school underground, playing in an underground park, or living in homes completely hidden from the surface. What do you think? Would you want to live in an underground bunker, or would you prefer to stay above ground? No matter what happens, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more amazing news updates. See you next time.